Namaste and welcome to Reset Your Shakti. This is your practical guide. And now let's look at Anulom Vilom. It's one of the pranayama practices. So use any meditative asana of your preferences. I'm showing you in the swastikasana. I'm right now going to sit in swastikasana, which is just 1 foot placed over the top of the opposite thigh. From here, I'm using Dhyana Mudra and keeping my spine straight, chin lifted up a little, gentle smile on the face, and eyes gently closed. In this position, we are going to use Pranayama Mudra. So this is basically Pranayama Mudra. The last two fingers, ring and pinky fingers, they are straight. Your thumb is basically on top of your middle finger and index finger. Okay, this is the mudra. It's called Pranayama Mudra. Here, we are going to use a thumb and ring finger to control the nostrils. So my thumb is going to control the right nostril. My ring finger is going to control the left nostril. So pranayama is a very, very holy practice and is the only practice if you done any mistake in this, it has adverse impact on you. So make sure that you practice asana before you practice pranayama. And make sure you practice pranayama with all its details and make sure you're noticing that and you're using that in your practice. Okay, so I'm placing the Pranayama Mudra on my lips. I'm going to start with left and going to release my breath from right. Going to breathe in from right and release from left. This is going to be my 1 cycle. Okay? Again, I'm making the breath sound for your understanding. So make sure when you practice, do not make this sound. Breathing in 4 counts. Breathing out from right in 4 counts. Breathing in from right in 4 counts. Breathing out from left in 4 counts. This is my 1 cycle and your guide shows how many cycles you have to practice as per your schedule. So make sure you don't make any mistake and follow this guide for your benefit. Happy practicing.